Hello students, welcome back in your science class. We are discussing chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. So far in this chapter we have studied about weather, elements of weather, climate and difference between weather and climate. Today we will discuss some factors that affects the climate of a particular place. Here are some factors given like distance from the sea, ocean currents, direction of prevailing wind, mountains, distance from the equator, human activities like large scale cutting of trees and industrialization. These are some factors that affect the climate of a place. The sea affects the climate of a place. Coastal areas are cooler and wet than the inland areas. Clouds are formed when warm air from the inland area meets cool air from the sea. Ocean currents, warm ocean currents make the climate warm and wet, while cool ocean currents makes the climate cooler and dry. Direction of prevailing wind. It comes from the sea or ocean side and brings rain to the coastal areas and dry weather to inland areas. Mountains. Climate is also affected by mountains. Mountains receive more rainfall than the low-lying areas because the temperature on top of mountain is lower than the temperature at sea level. And distance from the equator also affects the climate of a place. Equator receives more sunlight than anywhere else on the earth, and this is due to the positive position relative to the sun. Distance from the equator also affects the climate of place. The equator receives the more sunlight than anywhere else on the earth. Human activities like large-scale cutting of trees and industrialization both affects the climate of a particular place. We know that trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helps to maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. When trees are cutting on large scale, amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere will increase, and due to the increasing of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it also increases the temperature of atmosphere. And heavy industrialization consume very large quantities of fossil fuels, due to which amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases, and that causes acid rain, air, water and soil pollution. So in this way, these are the factors that affects the climate of a place. Now, adaptation in animals to different climate. As aquatic animals like fish have some special features that makes them to live in water, and arboreal animals which live on trees, they also have some special features that makes them to survive on tree. Animals living in cold climate, they also have some special features that makes them to protect themselves from cold. So the certain features which improve the chances of its survival in the environment in which they live is known as adaptation. So what is adaptation? The tendency of an organism to develop certain features which improve the chances of its survival in the environment in which they live is known as adaptation. In this chapter, we will discuss the animals living in the polar regions and tropical rainforest. Let's we see adaptation in animals to tropical rainforest. Firstly, we will see the some features of tropical rainforest. These forests are located around the equator, due to which it has generally hot climate, and sometimes temperature may cross more than 40 degrees Celsius. In the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. In summer, temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius. In coldest month, temperature is higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. Means January to December, all months days and nights are equal, and this region get plenty of rainfall. Thus, the climate condition in rainforest are highly suitable for supporting enormous number and variety of animals to live in. So tropical rainforest have variety of animals like snakes, tiger, lizards, monkeys, elephants, and different types of animals. So let's we see adaptation in some animals of tropical rainforest. First, adaptation in elephants. How elephants live in tropical rainforest, adapt themselves according to the climate of tropical rainforest. It has a big trunk. Elephants have big trunks which they use as a nose and to pick up food. They use their trunk for food. It has also tusk. They use their tusk to tear the bark of trees and for fighting enemies. They use their tusk for fighting enemies and protect themselves. And they have large ears, and they use them to hear soft sound and to run away when they enabling them to sense danger and protect themselves. And in hot and humid conditions, they flap their long ears to cool themselves. In this way, elephants adapt themselves to live in tropical rainforest. Next, adaptation in toucan. Toucan is a bird that possesses a long and large beak. This long and large beak helps it to reach the fruits on branches which are too weak to support the weight of the bird, because it is high in weight. Next, adaptation in red-eyed frog. Red-eyed frog has sticky pads on its feet that help it to climb trees on which it lives. During daytime, they camouflage themselves by remaining motionless. Camouflage means to change the color of their skin. So they change their colors of the skin and remaining motionless. And by shutting their eyes and squeezing or contracting their feet under their green body, and in this way they protect themselves from enemies. And adaptation in monkeys. How monkey adapt according to climate of tropical rainforest. Monkeys live in trees and they have long tails which helps them to grasp branches. Their feet and hands are such that they can easily hold the branches of trees, and it main features of monkeys is its color that conceal it between the branches of the trees. So in this way there are some animals that adapt themselves according to the climate of tropical rainforest. In next session, we will study about the adaptation in animals to polar regions. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.